Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Universals. Today I will talk about GeneratePress. GeneratePress is WordPress theme. It's lightweight that focused on speed, stability and accessibility. First of all, I will talk about it that you can directly download it from there or you can install it on WordPress also. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to get more expert advice. It has a premium version also. Now we will talk about its premium. In premium you can access its all plans. It is easily to theme build. It is a more style control. It is accessible for WooCommerce and it has mobile header, advanced layout system. Now we will talk about its premium plan. In premium plan it has two plans. Yearly plan, purchase this plan in $59 and you have access to all premium features. Full access to site library means you can install any one theme if you want, which is available in its library. 1 year of update. 1 year of premium support. Use up to 500 websites. You can use its themes for 500 websites. 30-day money background. Now I will talk about its lifetime plan. It's a one-time payment which is $249. It has also all premium features. Full access to site library, lifetime update and lifetime premium supports. It can also use to 500 website and it also have a 30-day money back guarantee. Now I want to explore its site library. It has a different themes and which are best for business, e-commerce and blogs. I want to explore some of them. You have voice theme. This is best theme for bloggers. If you are content writing and you are working as a bloggers, it is a best for bloggers. It is easy. You can easily access Google AdSense. Google AdSense approval is easy on it. It has a home page. You can write blogs and also have content. Second one is Flavor. Flavor is best if you want to create a food website. It's a home page, about page, menu page, blogs and content information. You can post here. Elegant. Elegant is one of my theme if you are a travel bloggers. You can use this blog. This theme as it has a multiple choice to upload your stories, upload your pictures and it is easy to access. It has all accessibility. You can open it as for desktop, for tablet and it is all mobile phone user friendly. You can filter here according to your choice. If you want to select for business website or e-commerce website or blog website. So I want to select for e-commerce. These are the themes for e-commerce. Flavors, shops, botanist, connections, mypit, mlord. These are the best theme for e-commerce. Now explore for blogs. These are the best themes likewise, scribe, info, marketer, explorer, newsroom. These are the best for bloggers. Overall, it is best theme for beginner, for expert, for bloggers, even your e-commerce or you have a business website. Thank you.